Action.
So we have a toilet seat we got for Christmas, and we're gonna make something we saw camping one time. It's a bumper dumper is what we called it, but you can put it in your trailer hitch, and then you can take a shit.
It's gonna be easy.
So
we're
here's
gonna
what we
show the build.
Here's what we've got so far. All right,
Go like this, and we're gonna take these guys here, and like that. We're gonna weld those together. Well, once we get it right, then we'll put this right here like that. Then another one right here
like that.
And we'll tack those.
So basically, we're gonna make a frame all the way around the bottom of the toilet seat, but we don't want you to be able to see it through it. And then we're gonna put a plate here, and then weld some of this big steel.
This stuff right here.
'Cause that fits in a trailer hitch nicely.
We actually might do that stuff too.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a plate and weld that on.
Still deciding.
And then we're gonna have a bumper dumper, so we'll keep you guys updated as we go.
Hey, it's Weld Wednesday, baby. Let's get at it.
Quick update, what we got so far.
Here's what we got.
Like that.
It's gonna be a little crooked.
That's alright though. And then we're gonna take another piece right across there.
And mount it.
We're gonna remove those screws and put new long screws through the steel.
Yep.
And that'll hold it on.
Looks pretty good.
So,
Just finished up welding it all. Not too bad, but probably could fix our welds a little bit.
that's how it's gonna fit.
And then I think what we'll do is mount
Get some longer screws for those to
Yep.
go through the steel.
and mount it there.
The question is whether we decide to cut notches so it sits flush against the toilet seat, or do we just
leave it?
or do we put a spacer in the front and then leave it up a little bit?
And I was thinking maybe we could also make some mounts that fold over kind of thing. So, you know, that go over this, and we could just
Like
put little screws
like little
in.
C's almost.
Yeah. But right now it's looking pretty good.
And then what's gonna happen is we're gonna take a piece. Let's see, probably like this, and then that. Put it on there again.
Okay.
And then that's gonna sit right there, and that's gonna go into the trailer hitch.
Obviously that's gonna be
it's
flat and everything, but
yeah, it's either
whether
gonna
we want to do it like we're gonna have to do it like this. But what we might do is weld on a steel plate and do it like that. And all right, we're getting back to the build here. So it's looking pretty good. First thing we need to do is figure out how we're gonna mount this thing. I think what we're gonna do is drill two holes, and get some longer screws. But other than that, I think that's the only way we're gonna hold it on. Should be all right. So do that today, and we're also gonna weld on a plate here. Either do that or cut a slot in here so it'll overhang here, and basically it'll be a lot stronger. So don't really know how we're gonna do that yet, but either plate or do a slot and weld it all on. So yeah, so here we go. All right, just finished out cutting out the hitch part, and looks pretty good. That's what we're thinking. I don't know whether I want to put a plate back here and weld that on yet. We'll see if this is strong enough. But yeah, looking pretty good. So we're gonna grind everything, get all this rust off, and get to work. Done welding it. Time to go try it out. Let's go see how it fits. So we got it in. Looks good. Fits good. Just like a regular hitch. I'm gonna have to drill a hole for sure and get a pin, but yeah, it's strong. It's real strong. I'm gonna sand this puppy down, get her all nice and shiny, and go paint her. Looks good. My painting job isn't that good, but mounts are holding up good. Let's go see how this thing looks.
Alright guys, this is the final product right here. Put it in a trailer hitch.
Works good,
Yeah.
obviously, because you guys saw that video.
That's about it. Just get out there, do something fun with your time, have some fun. But it's pretty sweet. Got some good welds in. Ryan practices welding, doing pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah, but
So
that's about it.
more videos to come, and
Yeah.
let's do it.